We're in the middle of some red screens at Highwinds Casino in Miami, Oklahoma on a nickel 9-liner. See if they'll do anything for us. I'm freehanding this, so you'll have to excuse me. I don't have my monopod handy. Kind of an impromptu video I didn't really plan on taking. Not too bad at all. See if the old Moneybags has got some more for us. It does. Cards are looking good. They're real full. Come on, Mr. Moneybags. Give us some more red screens. It's been a really good day at Highwinds today. I'm way up, which is a very nice change of pace at the casino. So that means I should leave soon. Come on, Moneybags, let's get some more red screens going. That should be one. And it was. Not too bad. $1,300 nickels, not a bad hit. Love some VGT red screens. If your casino doesn't have them, I feel sorry for you. Come on, Moneybags, we're not going below 200, so you better hit something. There we go. There's nothing like Oklahoma VGT red screens. Alright, I think we're just about done with this. Alright, we're going to take our $200 and go. See you guys.